What's up YouTube? Pete out here in the EVO 8, going for a little cruise. I promised I'd post some driving videos. So right now I have the car on its low boost setting, which is 23 pounds of boost. Reason being, yesterday I kicked it up to the full 40 pounds and she ran good for probably about a half an hour, pulling real strong and everything. And it started kind of doing what it was doing before I had to replace the coils and stuff. So I ended up data logging it and finding out that it was no longer not getting spark, but fuel was dropping off on boost. So I was like, oh great. So I started troubleshooting the fuel system, and I took apart the fuel pressure regulator, cleaned it out, made sure it worked, and then I went ahead and pulled the fuel pumps out. It has the Bouchard double pumper for both Walboros. So I pulled it out, cleaned them out, bench tested them. They all checked out good. They seemed to be maybe a little bit dirty. E85 can gum up. So I blew them out and then put them back in. And like I said, right now I got on low boost and took it out data log. Now fuel is tracking with the boost. Whereas before, at 20 pounds, it was kind of going to about 50, 48, whatever. It wasn't going up a pound of fuel pressure per pound of boost. Now it is. It's tracking good. So I'm probably going to leave it on low boost for a few weeks at least. Just kind of enjoy it like that. I will do some pulls with it, and it still moves out pretty good even on the low boost setting. So eventually I'll kick it back up. I'd like to be, the high boost on this is about 40 pounds, and I've seen it go up to about 43 pounds. But I think about 35 pounds would probably be sufficient for my needs, and that'd probably put me right around the 650 horsepower range or whatever, maybe a little more. So ethanol I got right now is 78, which is actually pretty good for out here. And hopefully that was the trick, cleaning out the fuel pumps. So I'm not going to launch it just yet because I'm still kind of worried about the drivetrain, so I really don't want to do that. But I'll do a little roll from first, second, and third just to kind of show you how she does. So here's first gear, a little punch. So that's on low boost, and she still moves out pretty good. Even at this low boost setting, I'd say she's faster than my ProCharge C7 I had on 9 pounds of boost. So this one definitely gets up to speed pretty quick. So on full 40 pounds of boost, she'll snap the speedo like super quick, and but for right now I just want to play it safe, and I'm just happy to kind of have it where it's pulling back or pulling like it's supposed to be, nice and smooth and everything like that. So, and then drivability on it's pretty good, just easing into it. Does really well. So, I'm happy to have it back. And like I said, I replaced so many parts on this thing and tighten this, adjust this, fine tuning this in. So it is coming along. And there is a race tomorrow, but I don't think I'm going to go in it because, like I said, I don't really want to launch the crap out of this car just yet, and eventually I will, but I want to have the drivetrain, the built transmission, good axles and stuff like that, drive shaft, before I start abusing it like that. Because with the amount of torque and horsepower this car is putting out, I don't see a long life for the drivetrain if I do launch it, I'll just shut up and do some driving. Thanks for watching.